We are diversity. Diversity is built on multiple factors: color, culture, economic status, immigration status, gender identity, sexual orientation, and other ideologies. It is about understanding each other and moving beyond tolerance. It encompasses acceptance and respect of every human dimension. I am full of differences that have brought me shame, oppression, and alienation, but I have refused to let those words, labels, or societal pressures allow me to behave in a manner representative of oppressive structures. I can identify myself as an immigrant, a minority, Latino, gay, but I believe we are bigger than labels. I am privileged to be a documented immigrant, to have an education, and to intern at the Department of Children and Family Services, but I am still vulnerable, and so are the clients I serve. My vulnerability has allowed me to connect with the populations that continue to be oppressed and marginalized by not having the power to determine their own actions. The Department of Children and Family Services is a powerful agency that recognizes the effect discrimination has on the lives of others. DCFS continuously works towards creating programs and applies policies that empower families. I have participated in child and family team meetings to educate individuals of their rights and to clarify any questions or information. It is an opportunity for the family to be involved in the decision-making process, the planning of the case, the development of services, and the support from the agency. DCFS and I continue to learn from and with the individuals we connect with. Together we work diligently to provide effective services, yet at times we fail to do so. I have walked into a low-income, single father's home with a large list of what is expected and recommended of him to finish our investigation. The father stopped me and looked at me with tears in his eyes and asked, "How can I do this? Do you have a car for me? Can I get a ride? Do you have bus tokens? Do you have money I can borrow?" At that moment, I realized that I was only a student, but also bound to the rules of the agency. I was a suppressive power in my client's eyes. As a social worker, it is important for me to recognize how life experiences are shaped. Instead of seeing our differences as obstacles, it is my job to embrace and empower the parts of us that make us who we are, to be self-aware and draw attention to the injustices in our world. We are all a work in progress. Because of this, our lives and experiences intersect. At times, society creates barriers for oppression. I see the resilience in the children at DCFS that have been neglected, physically abused, emotionally abused, and or sexually abused. That is part of my own story that for a long time crippled my sense of self and self-expression. I then met dance. Dance taught me to love myself, to appreciate all my entirety. It helped me to connect with others through touch, movement, eye connection, and on a spiritual level, without words. I then pursued a short-lived nursing career that taught me patience, kindness, humility, and connection to the human heart by engaging with empathy. The combination of all my attributes, my life experiences, past careers, and the continued knowledge of the social work profession has allowed me to confront my own self-biases by reframing my understanding of what it means to be different. Diversity is what makes us unique. Diversity teaches us resilience. It has brought me to accept and embrace others' differences because of my own. Diversity has the power to help us strive to be enriched individuals and communities. Can you imagine that?